Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Patrick Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Not much to report with Bitcoin. Bitcoin returning to the other side of the rotation zone and the 50, the cluster area we talked about. Pretty much everything stays the same as yesterday, just sitting back just below the rotation zone. So what's more important, we check on the daily chart. Daily chart came up to also clip the first cross rotation zone. We'll go back into the bullish mode if it gets above 65, 62 on a closing basis. Then we'll target 66.55 where the 50 is, and the 25% retracement. Then we'd be looking to return to 67, 47, 60, 764 to the downside. Again, if we do not hold here and drop below about 63.77, we'll be watching for the major level. We'll be watching for is about 62.66. Checking in on Ethereum. Ethereum going to drop this down all the way down to these key lows there. Update those price levels. Also returning the other side of the rotation zone, right between the declining 50 and the declining 21 and the 37.5% former retracement. If we get a close above about 222.50, then we'll be watching for a return to about 233 to 235 to the upside. To the downside, if we rotate back down, first key levels of where's about 211, then we'll be watching for a return to the lows about 203 if that does not hold, and then we have 197 and then 190.60 area to 189.45. Daily charts more important at this point. So if we do rally, let's see, we have at 229. Let me just switch back to that 4 hour. So I'd bump that down. We might get a little resistance at 229 or 225, and then about 229. That's not going to hold much weight, but I keep an eye, especially if it came up here and then rotated sharply down. The rotation zone would have hold, but it is getting flatter, so it is losing its luster. You could always use these levels to move up your stops, but really focus on the 233 to 235. Definitely some buyers coming in here whenever it drops below this 210 price point. Really nothing else has changed. We need a close back above. I'll get interested in this from the bullish side again if we get a close back above the 233 level. Until that, just waiting, see if we get a nice bottoming pattern or the close above 233. Talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.